Hi there, and thanks for joining me. So if you're watching this video, you're probably interested in finding out more, possibly joining One Ticker Trader. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you what you get in the video, but also sort of give you some results of some of the trades that Larry has recommended. So before I show you around very quickly, I'm just going to sort of give you the gains on some of his trades for August. So there's 3 trades that he recommended. So basically trade 1 was around about 8% gain, trade 2 was around 4% gain, and trade 3 was around 9% gain. Now the combined returns on those trades was 27.7%. So if you'd have, placed options on Larry's recommendations, you'd have had a combined return of 27.7%. And also the way Larry does his trades, he picks one ticker, one theme to trade over and over again when the signals are right. Not risky at all, very easy to follow. You would have made those gains. So Larry basically trades in a way, take low option trading risks, play small positions, and make small gains, and then those small gains will snowball and snowball and snowball, and you build your account up slowly. That is how Larry trades, and he does it very simply by just focusing on one ticker at a time to trade over and over. Okay, so with that out of the way, let me just show you around what you get. So basically there's basically 3 things you get. You get the issues and updates. This is where Larry is putting out recommendations, buy and sell alerts. You get 1 or 2 issues a month. These special reports here, this is the potato. If you're new to One Ticker Trader, you want to read these. This is Larry's guide to options, of how options work and how you can get going. And this one is his strategy, the One Ticker Retirement Plan, which is a complete strategy of how he trades options. And basically the last thing is the portfolio. This lists all of the stocks and trades that Larry's recommending to trade at the moment. And that is basically One Ticker Trader. The good thing about this is it's not overwhelming. There's not so much information with you that you're just going to get sort of brain freeze and not take any action. There's only a small amount of information, but what is there is extremely important, very well put together, so you understand options, you understand Larry's strategy, and then basically you can start putting trades out based on Larry's recommendations. So that is One Ticker Trader in review, and those are the kind of results that he's recently got for his clients. Now, if you want to join One Ticker Trader, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link down in the description. Just click the link, have a read, and then you can place your order to become a member of One Ticker Trader. Normally, One Ticker Trader, retails for $1.99, but you can join today for just $19, and that locks in your membership for a whole year. And if you don't like One Ticker Trader, you've got a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't like it, you can get your money back within 60 days. So that's what I've got for you. Hope you found the video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.